Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Subaru Forester. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Subaru has less than 133,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control.